can see up all the way up to there. Yeah, you can see it up over there, up to the middle of it almost. Actually, so you can kind of tell where you can kind of tell where it would come down. Come down right here. Dude, that's incredible. And the whole sky is really
New boat lifts. The beautiful sunset set in the background with a rainbow. For some reason, it's not even raining. Weird. Yeah, you can still see it. Whoa, you can see it on the video camera.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
You can see it go up.
Well, you can see it go all the way into the darkness. Now, everyone watching this is just sick. But back to the Darkville shot. Weird.
That's an awesome rainbow.
Yeah, it's crazy rainbow.
You would like the rainbow, man.
Dude, can
Oh.
you imagine being like the first person ever to see a rainbow? You're probably like, what the fuck is that?
That's the first one you've ever seen?
No, be the first person to ever see one. You're like,